Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, wave to Ken.
Right.
Can you hear the drums?
Yeah.
Good
Morning.
That's the one. Ready to sign in for that, right? Good morning. Good morning for you. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning to you. I hope you're feeling fine. Hope you're feeling fine. Hope you're feeling fine. How are you today? Here comes Tony in the crowd. Let's get them in.
All right, darling.
Let's see. Yay. Oh, here they are. Empty sit. Oh, here comes Mary. Here comes Claire. Coming in now. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning to you. Hope you're feeling fine. Hope you're feeling fine. Hope you're feeling fine. How are you today? Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Bring the neck as well. So
Good to see you all. Good to see you all.
Good morning, Stuart.
You're right.
Morning, Ken.
Get
Good morning, everybody. It's good to see everybody. Now,
Hi, Claire.
do you like my hat?
Morning.
Hi,
How's-
everybody.
Hands up if you're feeling good.
I'm feeling good.
Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad.
You, Mary.
Not too bad at all.
Yeah. Hello, Tom.
Hello, Tom, Mary.
Right, that's it. We've got Tom, Mary, and Tony, and we've got Claire, and Jess is
Hello,
back.
Jessica.
Hello, Jessica.
Sarah, Louise, and Will, and Amanda, and Ken. So
Back in a minute.
we're doing well.
Stuart, I've been away.
Oh, that's where you were. You were away last week. That's right. Where did you go? Remind me.
Devon.
Devon. That's it. Lovely, lovely, jubbly.
Got my hat on there.
Oh, I see. You got the Devon flag. Very nice. Was it sunny?
Yes.
Sunny. Excellent.
That's
Now
what
then.
we got here.
What's this?
It's a mark.
That's it, Tony. I'll tell you a funny story from yesterday. I walked all the way into town to go and get shopping. When I got to the co-op, I'd forgotten that. So I had to walk all the way home again, just to get that and go back again. So it was a lot of walking.
Stuart, are you miss me?
I'm missing all of you. Are you ready? Have you got your percussion instruments ready? And your voices? Okay. Here comes another rhythm.
Right. I'm ready to pick up this rhythm.
I should take. Right, ready? She'll be wearing a mask and gloves when she comes. She'll be wearing wearing a mask and gloves when she comes. She'll be wearing a mask and gloves, wearing a mask and gloves, wearing a mask and gloves when she comes. Singing, singing, aye, aye, wash your hands. Singing, aye, aye, yippee, wash your hands. Singing, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, wash your hands. We will keep a social distance when we come. We will keep a social distance when we come. We will keep a social distance. Keep a social distance. Keep a social distance when we come. Singing, aye, aye, yippee, wash your hands. Singing, aye, aye, yippee, wash your hands. Singing, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, wash your hands. It will be an essential journey when I come. It'll be an essential journey when we come. It will be an essential journey. Be an essential journey. Be an essential journey when we come. Singing, aye, aye, yippee, wash your hands. Singing, aye, aye, yippee, wash your hands. Singing, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, wash your hands. Oh,
Oh,
well done. I could hear loads of aye, aye, yippies there. Loads of aye, aye, yippies. So today I'm going to try and see how many songs I can fit in about
Right.
birds. Because I've been watching the birds through my windows at the back of the house, go into the bird table. One thing I haven't got, I don't have chickens. Anyone got chickens?
no.
No.
I had chickens. We had
so
chickens.
You had chickens, lovely. Anyone had an egg? Did anyone of you have an egg for breakfast today?
We're going to have a special one. We got a turkey, we got a guinea fowl, we got everything. We got different eggs. What did you? Which was a turkey egg? There's a
Turkey?
There's a turkey egg.
Oh yeah, very good.
And a guinea fowl. No, that's a chicken's egg.
That's a chicken.
Chicken egg. Oh,
This is a
fantastic.
guinea fowl.
And that's a guinea fowl.
Yeah.
Right.
You're going to have it for lunch.
You can have it for lunch.
Oh, very nice. So you've got to persuade the hens to lay the eggs, okay?
Stuart,
Yes, Jess.
I fish fingers.
Oh, fish fingers.
Oh,
very
yeah,
nice.
yeah.
That's good for breakfast. Fish fingers in custard.
Have them for lunch. Fish finger sandwich.
I'm going to do a sign now. It's the sign for bird.
Right.
A cheek.
That's it. Ken's doing it. Can you all do the sign for bird?
Do it by your cheeks.
That's it. Lovely, jubbly. Right. Hey, little hen, when will you lay me an egg for my tea? Hey, little hen, when will you try to supply one for me? Now get into your nest and do your little best. Get it off your chest and I can do the rest. Hey, little hen, when will you lay me an egg for my tea? Someone wants letting in. Let's see who it is. Here they come. Okay, here comes another song. Save all the chickens for
For me.
Make sure outside and free. Let them flap wings and fly. They need the sun and the sky. Before you walk out the door, go back and cuddle them some more. Those chickens for me, save all the chickens for me. Get them flap wings and fly. Let them fly to the sky. Before you walk out the door, go back and cuddle them some more. Hey, little hens, when will you lay me an egg for my chicken? Oh dear. Right, I've got to get this thing off my head now. Oh. There we go. Oh, my chicken. Oh, what's happened to me here? There's a chicken hat.
Yeah.
There we go. Off you fly. Oh,
Stuart,
yes, Ken.
how did you do that?
Oh, I don't know. It's magic. It's part of the
Is
magic.
it magic?
Yeah. Now, got another little friend here. Have you
Oh.
seen?
Oh my God.
Oh,
yeah.
little Robin.
Robin. It's my favourite
Can you hear
bird.
him?
Oh, what is that?
An owl, isn't it?
Right.
It's an owl.
The Robin.
Baby.
Take a closer look, Tony.
My favourite
I know
bird.
my screen's blurry, but it's not that blurry.
Parrot, then.
That's right.
Is it a parrot?
Have a look at him.
That's a good one.
You know, you can.
Pardon.
Let's get
It's right. Who said Robin? Who said Robin?
back to Rod's house. Is on, yeah.
Yeah.
Me.
Well done.
Yes,
Well
Eva.
done.
Come on then.
Okay.
And Amanda.
Hello, Jessica. Hello, Jessica.
You ready?
Amanda.
He rocks in the treetop all day long, hoping and bopping and singing a song. All the little birds in Jibber Street love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, rockin' Robin. We'll go rockin' Robin, really gonna rock tonight. Every little swallow, every chimney, every little bird in the tall oak tree. Wise old owl, big black crow, flapping their wings, sing go, 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 rockin' Robin, rockin' Robin. We'll go rockin' Robin, really gonna rock tonight. Yeah. You rock to the treetops all day long, hopping and bopping and singing a song. All the little birds on Jibber Street have to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, rockin' Robin. Say go rockin' Robin, really gonna rock tonight. Read a little raven and the bird bandstand, told them how to do the bop and it was grand. Slowly kind of steady and bless my soul. Out pop the robin down the barrio, rocks the treetops all day long, hopping and bopping and singing a song. All the little birds on Jibber Street love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, rockin' up, blow rockin' Robin, really gonna rock tonight. So there's lots of birds you might see in the garden. Here's another one you might see in the garden.
Yes. What's that?
Oh, it's a blackbird.
Yeah, I've got blackbirds. robins, lots of sparrows, with the little ones. What else have I seen out there? Oh, starlings.
Yes.
Maybe some of you might have seen an owl on your travels, or heard an owl at night.
You've heard one.
Oh.
Especially if you live down near the forest.
okay.
Yeah.
Night season, haven't we?
Oh.
That's the one. Who said Twitsawoo?
Over
That's right.
there, aren't
Yeah, that's right. So, Twitwoo. Now then, here's a more exotic bird. Yes, Jess.
That's your dog.
Oh, now I've got something to tell you. My dog has gone back to work.
Wow.
He's gone back to Spa Shop today. So he's back to work now.
Mm.
Yeah, so he's off earning his living now.
Oh. What does your dog do?
He works at Spa Shop College because he helps teach the students how to look after dogs, you see.
Oh.
So he takes part in lessons. So they have to learn how to groom him, how to take him for walks.
Do it.
And he has to be very good as well and not nip at anybody.
Do it.
Yes, Jess.
Where? Oliver.
Oh, we're not seeing Oliver today. Maybe he's on holiday. I'll find out. So I expect he's maybe. I expect we'll find that over August 1 or 2 people might be away. So not to worry. We've got a good turnout today. That's good. So anyway, another creature.
Yes, you do it.
Ah, spot.
Flamingo.
Can you see the colour?
A peacock.
That's close. Peacock, you're getting there.
Swan.
It stands on one leg.
Yes, you do it.
I like to stand on one leg if I could. Yes.
It's new.
Is it a flamingo then?
Flamingo.
Yeah, that's it. Someone said it. Tony said it. And I think if you go to somewhere like Marwell, you'll see some. Yes, Jess?
You are a lovely man.
Oh, that's most kind of you.
He's a lovely man, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh,
He's a
that's very
lovely
kind.
man.
That's very kind of you. Don't make me blush.
Oh.
Otherwise, I'll turn pink. I'll turn as pink as the flamingo. Okay, so I got Pretty Flamingo, if I can find it.
Right.
See if you know this one. I had to try and think of all different songs that have birds in the title. You see. So hopefully. There we go. I've lost my rhythm now.
Birdie.
That's it. Not too fast. I can't play too fast. That's it. Just. Oh! Hang on a minute. My machine's playing up. Keeps changing the wrong thing. That's it. Got the rhythm? That's it. I can play to that rhythm. That's good. All of the skies, color flamingo, 'cause her hair grows like the sun, and her eyes light up the sky. When she walks, she looks so fine, like a flamingo. Crimson dress, skin so tight, she's out of reach, she's out of sight. When she walks by, she brightens up my neighborhood. Every guy make her his. She just could, she just would. Once a day, I'll make her mine. Pretty flamingo. Every guy, then believe it's paradise where I'll be. Now we all got a shalala. You ready to shalala?
Right.
Let's hear some shalalas, okay. I like shalalas, it means I haven't got to remember any lyrics. Here we go. Shalala, la 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 la. Rims her vest, it's so tight. She's out of reach, she's out of sight. When she walks by, she brightens up that neighborhood. Every guy make her his, he just could, she just would. Fussy day, I'll make her mine. Pretty flamingo. Ready? Sha la la, la 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 la. Pretty flamingo. Sha la la, la 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 la. Pretty flamingo. Sha la la, la 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 la. Pretty flamingo. That's it. Sha la la, la. Oh,
La la la
Oh,
is that all right?
yes.
It was good, apparently.
Can you still hear me, Stuart?
I can hear you. I can hear you all. Oh, good stuff. Now, what other birds are there? What other birds could we sing about?
Woodpecker?
Oh, Woody Woodpecker. Oh, yeah. I can't remember where it goes. It's the Woody Woodpecker show.
Oh, yeah, that one.
Something like that. What about this one? Here we go. Here comes another one.
Oh,
What's that one, isn't it?
How about
oh,
this
it's
one?
oh, you've got yellowbird. Blue.
Oh, very good. Yes.
Bird.
Oh,
Oh, Big Bird.
big bird.
Yes, you do it.
Sesame Street.
I'm not Big Bird.
Oh,
I'm a slightly bigger bird than I was
Yes, you do it.
before, but that's another day.
You can.
That's it. So I'm going to do a reggae rhythm now because I'm going to take us all to a tropical island.
Yes, you do it.
That's
cool.
me.
Right.
Okay, let me find my rhythm.
Hey, Stuart.
Yes. How are you getting on?
We're doing great, Stuart.
You're doing great.
Yeah,
I'm just looking for a reggae rhythm.
yeah.
Right.
The old drum machine's playing up a bit today. Oh, it is right. Stop
Hey,
behaving.
Stuart.
Yes.
Come on, do hurry up.
I'm listening. I'm all ears.
Just hit your tennis, man, just a sec. Hey, Stuart.
Yes.
I slept so what on Thursday,
I'm listening.
They're waiting.
What's that you got in the corner, Stuart?
What have I got in the corner?
Yeah.
Oh,
Behind you in the corner, what have you got?
I've got a robin.
Yeah.
I've got an owl.
He's got
Up
an
there.
owl and a
Yeah.
Oh, that's Claire.
And a few other bits and pieces, and a few guitars.
all his guitars in the corner.
Yeah.
You see all his guitars?
Yeah.
They're waiting.
Hi,
Okay.
Jess.
Hi, Tracy.
Hi, Kay. Hi, Amanda.
Let's sway a little bit.
Good play, Will.
Can you do some? Let's see if we can make it sound like we're all in bird world, and we're all tweeting. I'm going to do a little tweet, see if anyone replies. Are there any other birds around? Let us know you're there. That's it. Flap your wings.
Yeah, that's more.
Bird,
Oh,
bird,
oh.
bird. Yeah,
Oh,
this
that's
is
it,
the
that's
bird.
You mad, do it.
So I'm told.
Wow.
Nice. Hi, Miles. Didn't see Miles there. Have you got your drum with you, Steve?
No, I haven't, Stuart, no.
You haven't got your drum. Well, you're going to have to sing then. You're going to have to sing.
We'll do it on the table.
Yeah. Oh, use the table. Have you tuned the table? You've got to remember to tune up the table first.
Tune the table up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have, Stuart.
If you need higher notes, just saw some of the legs off. I'll tell you a funny story in a minute. Yellow bird up high in a banana tree. Yellow bird, sit all alone like me. Did your lady friend nest again? How very sad, makes me feel so bad. You could fly away, the sky away. You're more lucky than me. Hello bird, up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, sit all alone like me. Black and yellow too, like banana too. You can fly away, in the sky away. Make her come too soon, pick till noon. If I pick you someday. Oh, I wish I was a yellow bird. I could fly away with you. But I'm not a yellow bird. So here I sit, nothing else I can do. Ready? Yellow bird, up high in banana tree. 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 Hey. There he is. Yeah.
It's funny. Why are we not coming?
Trouble is, not many people are flying at the minute, so that's why the birds are the ones who are free, because they can fly, but we can't really at the minute.
No.
Well, I've got the ribbon of the birds.
You like to be up with the birds?
Yeah. So tweet, tweet.
So if you could flap your arms and fly, everybody, where would you fly to?
Peter Pan.
Hands up if you've got
Tweet,
somewhere.
tweet,
Where would you fly to?
tweet.
The Bahamas?
Peter Pan.
Oh, you fly to Netherland with Peter
Yeah.
Pan.
Finland.
Greenland?
Where's Green?
Just think of all the places you could fly to if you were a bird.
Mm.
California.
California, yeah.
That Ken. Hello, Mary.
Oh, well, I've got to have a little look at what I've got here. What have I got here? Hang on, another one coming.
Hello, Tony.
Hello, Jen.
Oh, it's a swan.
Ron.
It is.
Look, Ken.
Pardon.
Hello, Ken.
Jessica.
Hello, Ken.
Hello, Jessica.
How you doing?
Hello, Amanda.
Hello, Jessica.
Good.
Swan, yeah.
Hello, Tom.
It's a swan. Is it a swan?
You say hello.
Yes, it's a swan.
Tom. Hey, Matthew.
That's it. Feel the rhythm. Ride it on out like Ready? Ride it on out like a bird in the skyway. Ride it on out like you were a bird. Fly it on out like an eagle in a sunbeam. Ride it on out like you were a bird. Wear a tall hat like a druid in the old days. Wear a tall hat and a tattooed gown. Ride a white swan like the people of the village. Wear your hair long, baby, can't go wrong. Da da dee dee da, da da dee dee da, da da dee dee da. Ride a white swan like the people of the village. Yeah, you can't go wrong.
T-Rex.
Oh,
Big sound.
so
White swan.
ride a white swan, yeah.
I got good ribbon.
Say again, Jess. I just missed the.
I got good.
You've got good rhythm. You have.
Ribbon.
Yes. You have got good rhythm, Jess.
You've all got good rhythm. And some good singing today as well.
What's that? Oh, still got water.
I got Will helping me on guitar. Say hello, Will. Wave your hand. So Will's brought his guitar, so he's helping out.
Hello.
Good. And can we all wave to Louise? Louise looks like she's tucked up in bed.
Hello,
So
Ken.
Hello.
nice to see you. You comfy there? You comfy there, Louise?
Yes, thank you.
Well done. Nice to see you, mate.
Hello, Louise.
So I'm on 34 minutes now. Hopefully, over the next couple of weeks, I will get an account, a paid-for account of Zoom via Coda, which will mean I won't have to do these funny cut-offs anymore, and I'll have more time to have a bit of chat after the session. But we'll see how we go. But today, I've still got the 40-minute limit hanging over me.
Right.
So I'm gonna do. We haven't done this chap yet,
Stuart.
and he wants to wave bye-bye to everybody. Little blackbird.
Stuart.
Yes, Jess.
What kind of movement?
What kind of
Movement. Music.
what kind of music?
Yes.
This music is very old-fashioned, like me. This one is. It's a pub song. And it mentions blackbirds.
Yeah.
I'm listening.
You might love heart. Love heart.
Oh yeah, love heart. That's it. One love. Right, I'm gonna try and fit it in. Right, I'll try and do both in the time we got. Right, you ready?
Right.
Yeah.
Pack up all my cares and woes. Here I go, singing low. Bye bye, blackbird. Where somebody waits for me, sugar sweet, so is she. Bye bye, blackbird. No one here can love or understand me. Oh, what hard luck stories they all have me. Make my bed, light the lights. I'll arrive late tonight. Blackbird, bye bye. He's gonna wave bye bye.
Bye bye, blackbird.
Don't go yet, because I haven't said don't worry. I haven't done one love yet. Hang on.
Yeah, one love.
So guys, have a good week. If this cuts off mid-song,
Yeah.
have a really good week.
We will.
Yeah.
Right, thank you, Stuart.
And I'll
You
see you
too.
next week.
Stuart.
Thanks, Stuart. Bye.
Here we go. You ready?
Bye.
One half, one heart. Let's stick together. Feel. All right, that's it. Oh, take the cap off.
Yeah.
One love, one heart. Let's stick together. Feel alright. I can see you singing. One love, one heart. Let's stick together. Feel alright. Let's stick together. Feel alright. Saying don't worry about a thing. Don't worry. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Stay safe, everybody.
Yeah.
Don't worry about a thing. Look after each other. Gonna be alright. I'll see you next week. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing.
Bye.
'Cause every little thing gonna be
Be
alright.
alright.
Don't worry about a thing. Yeah, yeah. Every little